8th Mathematics, Chapter 5, Squares and Square Roots. Dear children, today we will learn about adding odd numbers. Children, can you tell me the first 5 consecutive odd numbers? Yes, it is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now, let us consider the following table. We can write 1 as 1 square. 1 equal to 1 square. Now consider the first 2 consecutive odd numbers 1 and 3. Add these two numbers 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. We get 4. 4 means 2 square. 4 is a perfect square. We can write 4 as 2 square. Therefore, sum of first 2 consecutive odd number is 2 square. Now consider first 3 consecutive odd numbers 1, 3, 5. Add these 3 numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5. We get 9. 9 is same as 3 square. We can write 9 as 3 square. Therefore, sum of first 3 consecutive odd number is 3 square. Similarly, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Sum of first 4 consecutive odd number is 16. 16 is a perfect square. 4 square is 16. Therefore, sum of 4 consecutive odd number is 4 square. Similarly, sum of 5 consecutive odd number is 5 square. Sum of 6 consecutive odd number is 6 square. In general, sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. Sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. Try this. Without adding, find the sum. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. This series consists 5 consecutive odd numbers, 5 odd natural numbers. Therefore, solution. Here n is equal to 5. Therefore, the sum is n square. Sum is n square because sum of first n odd natural number is n square. N square is equal to, substitute the value of n, 5 square. 5 square is 25. Therefore, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 equal to 25. Let us consider one problem. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. We have to express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. N square represents the sum of n odd numbers. Therefore, n square sum is 49. Sum is 49. N square is 49. And 49 is a perfect square number. 49 is a perfect square number. N square is 49. 7 square is 49. Therefore, n is equal to 7. We have to express 49 as, therefore, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 odd numbers. Sum of 7 odd numbers is 49. Express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. Here, n square is 121. Sum is 121. Therefore, n square is 121. And 121 is a perfect square number. 11 square is 121. 11 square is 121. Therefore, n is 11. n is 11. Therefore, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. Sum of 11 odd numbers equal to 121. Sum of consecutive natural numbers. Sum of consecutive natural numbers. Okay, consider square of 3. 3 square is 9. We can write 9 as sum of two consecutive natural numbers. We can write 9 as 4 plus 5. Here 4 and 5 are two consecutive natural numbers. Similarly, consider 5 square. 5 square is 25. We can write 25 as 12 plus 13. 12 plus 13. 12 and 13 are the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. Similarly, 7 square is 49. Can you write 49 as sum of two consecutive natural numbers? Yes, 49 equal to 24 plus 25. Express 21 square as sum of the two consecutive integers. Express 21 square as sum of the two consecutive integers. First you calculate 21 square. 21 into 21, that is equal to 441. Okay, now you express 441 as sum of two consecutive integers. 441 is equal to 220 plus 221. Here 220 and 221 are two consecutive integers. Therefore, 21 square is equal to 220 plus 221. Express 13 square as the sum of two consecutive integers. First you calculate 13 square. Square of 13 is 169. Okay, now you express 169 as sum of two consecutive integers. That is 169 equal to 84 plus 85. Here 84 and 85 are two consecutive integers. Therefore, 13 square is equal to 84 plus 85. Home activity. Express 11 square as the sum of two consecutive integers. Second question. Without adding, find the sum. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. Third question. Express 100 as the sum of consecutive odd numbers. Thank you.